Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic V2 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find biometrics and password. Now let's tap on the fingerprint ID here, and if you've got any kind of screen lock, you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step. If you do not have screen lock, your device will require you to add a new one, because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the pattern and PIN or password. So this is like a safety issue, so just add the screen lock and you will be able to add the fingerprint. And now we can decide for what we want to use the fingerprint for, or just tap on new fingerprint, it's up to you. Tap on add fingerprint, and here we've got the information that we have to place our finger and swipe left and right on the sensor. On the sensor. So the sensor is located on the right side of our device. So let me try to swipe it. So let's follow the instructions. Let's swipe it and to the right. Okay, and as you can see, this is the way of adding the fingerprint, which is quite uncommon, I would say, because usually you're just putting your finger on the sensor. Okay. Usually you're just putting the finger on the sensor multiple times. Right here you just have to swipe, so it's quite new, I would say. So just tap on OK, and here we've got another fingerprint options, and we can decide how we want to unlock our device. We can either rest the finger or press the button, and to be honest, I think resting the finger is much more comfortable to use. Okay, we can decide whether we want to feel the vibration when the fingerprint is not recognized. It's totally up to you. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it. We can add another fingerprint. As you can see, we can add up to 5 different fingerprints and identify the fingerprint, which is quite useful if you've got more than one fingerprint added and you have no idea which one is which. Alright, so let's quickly lock the device and check if it is working. So let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see, it is immediately unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.